The Ferrocontrol s02-00-18 motor controller is a member of the Ferrocontrol DARC system and is a single-axis motor controller used for one motor, but tied to many others in a CAN bus-controlled system for a machine tool. We received this unit from a large lock manufacturer, and we repaired the shorted output power supply that it came in with. We only received the output block, so without the controller, which also controls the firing sequence, we were only able to verify it no longer had an output issue by applying a 600 volts of direct current bus to the module, which prior to repairing it would have pulled it down. At ERD, we are experts in working on parts of complex systems where we cannot fully execute the part, but still have the confidence of it being fully repaired. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.